Welcome back to Keep the Fees. In today's video, Sarah will walk you through the process of checking out a guest after their service. From adding favorite items and discounts to using multiple payment options like card, cash, or invoicing, this tutorial will show you how to streamline your checkout process.
This is how you would check a guest out after their service. So you'd come into the system and you'd click on checkout and then proceed to checkout. This notification is just saying that I don't have a credit card terminal hooked up to it, as I am using this as a demo account. This is where you can see favorite items, so you can add any aftercare that you like to sell or any merch to incentivize your team to push those items. Here we'll indicate the deposit that's already been paid, as well as the customer that you're checking out. Over to the right, we'll show your total card price as well as the cash price. Our program is known as dual pricing, where we add the credit card processing fee on all credit and debit card transactions. If your customer would like to avoid those, they can pay with cash. Here is just a shortcut to show how easy it is to add on those items that are favorites. You also can stack discounts, and you can stack these whether they're specific percentages off or a flat dollar amount. You also can choose to pay multiple people commission or have the ability to pay multiple people commission as needed on these checks. So I have it built in here that Sad Chuck will receive a small piece of commission for selling this Tattoo Lovers Care salve to incentivize my team to keep up sales. Here I can go to proceed to checkout, and now we'll have multiple different checkout options. You can remove sales tax if needed. Here we can do pay on terminal. This will work for Apple Pay, Google Pay, watches, and cell phones. Also tap, swipe, and insert. You can also manually key in the credit card right here. You also have the ability to do cash and card, or send an invoice. This feature and function is great for those that travel to conventions. This way you can take credit card payments on the road and be able to keep all of that data within the same sales system. You also have the ability to log another payment type where we can do card, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, gift card, and other. For demo purposes, I'll list this off as cash. The system will do all of the math for you. So out of 200, it'll tell me that my change due is $31.13. And the system is automatically set up to send text message receipts to the customer's phone number on file. If you need to update that phone number to send a receipt elsewhere, you can do so at this point. In addition to it sending the receipt via text message, it's also going to send the aftercare instructions that are specific for the services that this guest had done. And that can be customized as well.
Let's dive in. Thanks for watching. Ready to simplify your checkout process? Visit our website in the description to sign up or book a demo today. We're here to help you streamline your shop's operations.